Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
A great good morning to ever conscious. It's me, your brother, Comrade Stanley Sazosa Kunokudi. This morning I want to be brief. I saw one interview granted by one misguided element called Desmond Elliott. Under a normal situation, it's because of the fact that Desmond Elliott, the movie industry, and he was called upon to join the looting cabals in Lagos to take an advantage of the democratic infrastructure in that state. As we speak, Desmond Elliott have no statement of his own. He cannot even excuse his wife to private room without consulting Tinubu first. So he's a slave to Tinubu. So do not be surprised. Do not be surprised if you see the likes of Desmond Elliott trying to play into the gallery here in Edo State. Because that is what he is. Apart from finding himself in the Alo chambers as a result of his unrelenting loyalty, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Desmond Elliott wouldn't have been anything. So whether he likes it or not, he has declared to be loyal and to be 100% in agreement with the yearnings and aspiration of Tinubu. You can see he's not talking about Edo can be Lagos. Edo is Lagos, Edo is not Lagos on the basis of Lagos interest. He's talking on the basis of one man. Now, we've said it before now, I'm going to repeat it again. Edo people are not Lagosians. No matter how you try to paint the picture. We have here, there is no one single person cannot be considered as God. One single person cannot be considered as God. Alpha. Excuse me 1 minute. So, in Edo State here, we have more intelligent people. Apart from agree for oppression, one man of it be all of us for here. In Lagos, it can. In Lagos, one man is already everybody. So you cannot liken such situation with our situation. It's purely different. So what we're going to do in a nutshell is that men like Desmond Elliott should be thrown into the trash can of history. His statement is not worthy of emulation. He's a political slave. And forget the fact that he's good at using English language. Take it. That does not make him to be different from a normal political miscreant. That is who he is. Yeah, this Lagos. Edo can never be Lagos. Here we respect anybody. We respect everybody in Edo, but we don't fear anybody. No man on earth is God. No man, regardless of the position you find yourself, if you give opportunity to yourself for you to be respected, Edo people will respect you. To the rules and regulations of such respect, Edo people will not fail to Muegboto. So if anybody tells you that yes, I am the person who is speaking for Edo people, that person is deceiving you. No man, not even Sakuno, nobody on earth can. Edo speaks for themselves. So someone should advise Desmond Elliott orators that they gave him money. This set of people, they don't act without putting money at the forefront. Now your money, egole, if the money ball lacks, or you're an pay as you go, we know that now. So if you see there's like a sack bouquet in the stage, just know that his pocket have been grazed. If not, forget to run am. There's more than okay, but okay, cool. They know. See, I don't people reject them way. Now they believe that now strategy they can adopt. All statistics where they don't already where they conduct that the Obaseki will win. So they believe now say when they go to bring all those on video, people call it all those when they call it because me not consider this one celebrity. Celebrity will not impact on the let's send those one. So they believe they go bring all those people come. Very soon they even start bring musicians the election proper. They don't begin go the commissions or people now make they sing. Say this one those are where they talk say we are billionaires, they make mad. Go see road to their villages. If you say you too get money, go fence your Atiku no fancy village. Babangida no fancy village. Which one you the booger, you the carry shoulder up. You know why you don't hear me? How many you don't have? How many you they carry along? If you want break record, oh yeah. No fence your village. Atiku no fancy village. Babangida no fancy village. Wamaji Miami veto billionaire. Who you they feed? Now for your see another man money na picture. Another man money na picture. So you're not gonna tell me about another man money where they are. And then you. Now you azabi that. Then I granted interview on Niger Watch. They bring one man come, there's na pastor. As we they discuss, they tell me say, in this state, this man have done this. He brought the president to Edo. He brought this man, the president. And I ask him. So all this on an argument now are just on personal interest, on personal ground. Go think. Okay, now of what if you bring the president to Edo State? Would that translate to development? As we speak today in Nigeria, we have the highest tariff now. Thrice regime as far as Nigeria is concerned. We not only talk about that when I say he brought the president. It does that translate to economic development in the state that because the president visit a particular farm? The reason why with the governor is the president to commission his farm. See, is it all about one individual? Brain attacks what the reason, more than our brain. Then the man want to talk with the interview. He say, yes, they are supposed to be giving government supposed to be sharing money for billionaires. The billionaires, then why the other people will remain wretched in the society. He pay me for him, say he don't understand how government they work. And he claims to be in Europe. And he don't even know how Europe economy they develop. Not be the billionaires where they Europe or America develop America. America economy is SME. As the lower class himself, now they create more of these little businesses where they stabilize the US economy and the Western economy. Then those big multinational, they like in Canada, you have the Trans-Canada, JP Morgan Chase, and SAC. All those big companies, they complement the effort of government, but you cannot remove the SME. Instead of these people to talk, say, may they empower small, medium business. So they say, when they begin and reach those billionaires, maybe their money, they long, they go, momo. Then at the end of the day where they are in, they'll begin to spend money till they make the state ungovernable for any government. Is that what they are clamoring for? Is that what they are clamoring for? So, open up. Okay. We'll find by the 2 April. Then we'll find by those one. Then we'll give for the notebook too. We'll put on. Give on. Yes. Look on. Now, billionaire. Man, billionaire, who am I? Billionaire. Mona, let us rest. Now, they won't make that they add money, go give them. They say their interest is not secured to the backwater of political decadence. Is that what we are clamoring for? So, in the past, we know they celebrate, they carry money now, like say, who can get money now be God. If you know the apple like that for a do, although na few minority, they don't, all musicians now they'll go collect their money, they'll begin to sing. One single. Now, I come across a post today, yesterday and the rest. One Assam based billionaire. Let me bend this aside me. The black one. One Assam based billionaire. One Assam based billionaire. He get construction company. The fact don't confirm say this man build road in Ebuma. He build road in Auchi. He built hostels in Ambusali University. They come out one day to say I be billionaire. May they worry people with money. My mind no man where you winner. My mind me no everything, but even your village don't have water. I mean I'm where you must go to the stream. Your own house, not clear. The road, nothing. The one that is right with my time. So for those that are celebrating money, you can keep doing that. You can keep celebrating. After all, life not ahead. So I don't want to digress. But to us, Edo will never be like, Edo will never return to Egypt. Edo is not Lagos where one man they control everywhere. Edo is for Edo. No, Obaseki have no right whatsoever to say, if not be governor, you got to say, nah, you know, will fall in. Or somebody has no such right, will fall in. No, so nobody, in fact, nobody get that right. The only person that have right now to act is the governor, because he's the governor of the state. If not be governor, after 8 years, he not get what he want to talk with the politics. He get one vote, he go vote and he go enter us. If he not vote, enter us. Now we will sit there, so now we go Yagara. So we are now somebody and the rest of to the last. Don't forget to before, we are going to repeat it again. We are going to send them into a political sabbatical leave. A compulsory retirement without gratuity and pension. It's a force. You must give room for the youths to grow. Under this Obaseki government, Obaseki is the oldest man in his government, as he's in English. He's the oldest man in his government. Now, go see youth, you commissioners. In sometimes say, no, I mean they even the physics of commissioners. Say, how far now? Go see the chief of staff, commissioner, all of them. No one is above 36. 36 years of age. That is why they see Obaseki, they feel the record, all these good results where they record. Because the bloods that are working with him are energetic. They are all energetic. Then they Obaseki the refinery and then a grant, these are not a grant. But these people cannot talk to Buhari. They cannot talk to Buhari. All countries, they assist their citizens after coronavirus. They assist their citizens and they want to meet up. As they come out for coronavirus, now they increase tax regime. They increase, go see tariff everywhere. As I do live video, now only today, before I can do live video, once that day I only spend 1K. Always one now, don't spend about 3,000 naira. Now, stop this phone. And they use this man. Many things put together. Now, somebody and the rest. See the price of consumable goods don't rise. Even during COVID-19, we were busy distributing food along the locality. Now, COVID-19 finished. People never start work. Government increase and you want to make people know the feature. Somebody has never said anything. All this one, they tell us we want. They have not said a single thing about it. But you are coming to question Obaseki that has performed Do you want him to die for you before you know that he has done well in Edo? In 3 years, this man don't record all the success. Make una openly tell also the jealousy. Obaseki, if the truth be say, he was not a politician, but he sabi pass all of una. He sabi pass all of them. Oh, he just be quiet. He say, I will not. When they do the campaign from the beginning, he say, I will not say anything. He say, Amen. Mamina laone, Iana. Many yaka ueji and they do I will never lie. They don't know. They have to say because as you know they say not they talk. They have to say they don't bring one mugu when they want proof of power. When for them put conduit pipe, they draw money. Pew pew. As the man enter now he change for them. And that be the crowd they see they cry here and there. This election in Edo State is the oil war. It's tagged the oil war. The one where they interested for your oil want to remove them and take over the oil. The one where they interested want to take over your oil. They don't get any other thing to offer. Now your oil, now they are now those one you the fight to that one and one. Then the one where they fight for their belly, they fight for their belly. No, your see, if Obaseki not do anything, and they supply these people better money steady. By this kind of time, you don't see a show like the dance and Zoto. You don't see the rest of the job come out and say, nah, he be the man, nah, he be the man. Now, because the man changed and I be this crisis. You know, you're waiting that man. See, the video there everywhere now. He say, to be sincere with you, I respect the Dagbo a lot. I don't want to call him since, but may I start example with what he talk. The video is there. He say, we want a governor that will be a politician. That will say, this is Stali. This is Dagbo. This is Mr. This. This is Mr. That. We don't want to not know us. This, if we go bring this man again for second time, now we say we'll go learn another work. I beg, we need a politician to come in. That is why now he was recommending Odubu. When Odubu not get a ticket, they believe say Yamu, we do the thing for them. Now they begin recommend them. The videos are there. So now only people will know. Now only gullibles. They are not fighting for a dough. Although we were not in the same camp, but we shared the same ideology in the past. And we go no, and we go no. The governor refused to bring it. The crisis. If the governor pull out this money, why is there Yamu will be say whether anybody work he not work he not concern say Yamu. Or even he said the person carry himself, kill himself. He die. He not concern he say Yamu. What's up? To Amon. Mon carte combien Amon? Why? Amon bleu. Il est où vraiment? Wait. Excuse me, sorry. Sorry. So that one of his Yamu, nothing concern. You know whether the person walk or even say the person walk and die. Now only now go fit do one well for back according to him. So he want to be governor at all costs. If you like, you paint a door, turn out to gold. Once he say Yamu not be the governor, that person no work. So that one I want desperation. Now I must be governor. I must be. He has, see, even Lucky see the power. When they Yamu started the fight for governor, he governor at all costs. But with people, with the kind of desperation when he get, he cannot have access to government house. No way. So let us not be deceived at all. Let us not be deceived. Let's make our focus our focal point. Can't deceive us again, Mike Weyo. You not go fit drive us away from our father's house. You not go fit drive me away from my mama's house. You not go fit give me command to die. Leave us. So the truth of the matter is very clear. We know these people. They're not getting anything to offer. Now money where the governor not bring command and there is some here and there before. Let me tell you, many people they read a paro. All these big men, many of them paro. No, some video they pretend say, I am not. We are playing the peaceful para. Amariguri. That be the issue. So we know what is going on. But one beautiful part of it is that nobody can speak for anybody. That day for your election, that day for the election, go to the polling unit and vote. Vote your options. Or if you wait, member say can't give you money for us before you go vote, you know work. We know say then they share money go here and there. You know share money. We don't want maybe say we go spend all money finish for election. When it's reach time to work now, you decide to get my money back. Now they do Mona wise. Mona wise. Thank you very much for listening to me. It's me, your brother, Comrade Stanley Zazosa Pudopudi. And I want to say a big bye for now. Good morning. I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you.